G'day! I opened up Google Sheets today and I found, to my surprise and delight, that XLOOKUP has now been added. XLOOKUP is like a superpower or a super version of VLOOKUP, and it kind of combines some of the powers inside index and match. So I can search left, right, up, down, everything using XLOOKUP. So let's have a look at how that works inside my sheet. So here I've got my bakery sheet and I've got the names of my bakers in here, or the owners in here. I want to grab their annual income. So it's in this column. I'm going to be going left. So I'm going to go equal in XLOOKUP. Then it asks for the search key. So I'm going to grab this name here, my drop down, and it says, where does that search key live? Well, it lives in this column in here. Then where do you want us to match? What do you want us to find? I want you to find stuff in that column, please. Wrap it up in a bracket, and now I've got a XLOOKUP that can pick up those names for me automatically in that space. Super good and super easy. It's being rolled out now, so it may drop into your account very, very soon. Super excited to have this land.